something a while ago.
What?
So I feel like I'm supposed to wash the plate this morning. So I feel like I have to finish put up the bed and wash up the plate them and sweep out the house. Because the house want map out now. And the fan want wash.
What you want to do?
No, me lie down after I'm prepared.
Oh, I don't think I want to do so much.
And me clothes them on the back. Me did put them out there to wash, but see that the rain all come, so me don't feel like me want to go and wash no clothes. So me feel like you have to go there wash clothes them.
Go and wait. Go and wait.
Give me the phone, girl.
No. Go and wait. Pray everything you go around this to mommy, you know. And go around this so.
No, me need the things them get down. And ask me, I tell me, I tell us you go and wash up the things them.
Wait for me to breathe.
So I touch that you give me. Hello, listen to me carefully. Me say get up and wash up the plate them.
I'm gonna take me and do that.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Come here.
I want now.
Me tell her if I go do the things in there she don't want to do. Make sure go do it quick and fast. Me clothes them want wash and the rain come and feel like someone go in there and go wash my clothes. So that's why
Well, she must want to wash in the heavy rain. Because me know, sir, me send her in to tell you what to do. What is the problem?
Right.
So all me for wash in a rain.
Hold on, little
Wash
picnic.
plate.
Mind your tone
Spread
with me, little
dead.
girl.
So you never say
Mind your tone with me, little girl, and start again. Go on, go wash. Me shouldn't even have to come in to say it. Think say you're a big woman with me in here. Oh.
Is there something there? And there was something that said if you put her in her hand in her mommy, can it come like she has smell like arm?
She gone too right and bright.
Maybe she should
And her
go.
chest too high. Now I go cut her wing. Now
Yes,
cut her
mommy.
wing.
Come on, cover me up. I feel like more
Alright,
alive.
baby.
I feel
But then
comfortable.
you know what
I'm
you
a-
have to do. Because you do all the hard work and
Yeah.
you don't like see black people having it too.
Yeah.
Cover up
More
my baby.
something to eat.
Alright, now gonna make she do something for you. Because she
Right.
lazy bad. She for walk.
She
She for
don't
walk.
want, she do walk.
Alright, listen to the rain of fall and
Yes.
know the sleep of the sweet you.
Yes, she
Alright.
go wash the clothes and man.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Sleep good, baby. Sleep
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Rain for no time.
For sure.
Shanice. Right there, just one. You know?
Yeah, girl.
So why you want to just do so much?
You know, all the days they come on my yard. Every time I come in, I'm alone sick cleaning up. You ever seen nobody else do nothing?
Come to think of it, I know me just say. I don't fuck. Oh, bad. So me ask this now. What you been up with tough this sister?
They no say one lie done.
Are you happy there, just? So yeah, why you're not human, you know what you don't do?
No, no.
Oh God. No, don't help about me. No, look.
So,
No, go on, girl. Come to Papa no tired. I'm tell me I come up here. You tell me to make sure I reach him back before in the book.
oh.
Sometimes I go up here, there. So me ask you something. Like how them a treat you, you never yet think to your mother to ask him what make him a go and
To my mother. I asked my mother.
ask him if you ever think to ask your mother.
Yeah.
Make him a do this.
I tired to try to speak one sentence with that lady. You see, the only time they're available is time like this when you have to clean. And everything we feel like stuff, out of the room me come from. Out of the dirty room.
He not only lazy but nasty.
Nasty that.
Yeah, you know say come to think of it. You remember all the big ugly jars with the period brothers and them? I saw the thing too.
So who for you think? And this is not the oh bad. So no, I just can't get big Philip out of it.
So your father know about this?
No.
I have to do one day, you know, you have to do record them. You have to do record them.
Yeah, more than treat me.
Because you see,
When my father did have a different treatment me.
you're going to make it in a life, you know, just believe, man. That's all I have to do.
I'm just frustrated. And then when you done, me have to go wash Kayla the clothes them. And then I have to go wash the me dash some bleach on them and burn
No,
them.
girl. You have to wet them and put them in all the red dirt. Just like how you're so full of red dirt. You can put in a red dirt and then you tap up on it and make a red dirt dry on this and whole and close themselves. But that's what you do.
Dash me I got them some bleach on you.
Burn your cup.
Burn color.
When you say that she bleach on you and burn your head. That's when you do that, then you tell them to skin it that kind of thing. I mean, I understand how them they have their own opinion and treatment.
Sometimes I feel like they swap me hospital. No. I mean,
Because,
not
yeah,
like my mama.
and
Not
not
like
like
my
your
papa.
papa. Your papa brown and so you come so your mother extra black and you come here skin. No features in none of them in a hand.
Swap me a hospital.
I believe so. I believe so too. So I make sure no say you done a live one look up at times. As bad as how for my papa rum head and sit on. When you treat me so.
No, I'm just straight to God, you can.
Me can't bother for you neither. Let me help. Say you no hungry.
Where from man, me have wait for mom to do something. So I'm gonna run and buy 100 with cheese.
Oh.
That's so shit.
Take a bite.
No, do not right now. Do not make me hungry, yeah.
But you have to get up your stomach.
No, we do not want something hot.
Oh, it's a hot shit.
I want something with warm water, hot water, cannot.
Oh,
But me I do it hot Pepsi, me I dash your belly.
No, go piss in our pot. Yeah, you put it on the fire. This so.
Yeah, no, go on there. I'm not see the purpose in you.
No, because for cherry up, girl. Let me say I'm the one and only. You know, if my go get some good.
Alright, I'm going to go shut them plates.
Them have to burn them all.
No, they plate them, I go burn up, girl. Like clothes, them, I go burn up.
Yeah, true. Later.
Later.
Yeah. Kayla! Kayla! Girl, Riri! Girl, what?
Girl, them there say me I go learn and see because the rain will come. Me thinking of
Why the
come over
rain
harder.
is for some alkaline?
Girl, then I got me there lie down.
Oh, so where your sister there?
She'll have a wash up my dirty clothes them.
No, wish me did that somebody I wash me dirty clothes, mama, you have a nice sister.
They can't feed them, come make she wash them.
Alright, but anyways,
I'm
me
ready
like
to
tell
take
her to make me walk go down Miss Alice, just go buy something.
You have money? Yeah. You get money from you have no man?
Girl, you don't worry yourself. We will still talk about that.
You have man, girl?
Girl, something like that.
Me not like you come take me to your yard, you know.
You
You
know,
sure you have money?
yeah, girl, me know some not come here broke.
Me just see you in a purse and me see you two long empty hands.
See money in your stick.
Oh. Yeah, push money inside.
Yeah.
I come by man do the thirsty.
You ever thirsty? For
Me
me,
come
know
come
you.
to me,
Come on,
yeah.
girl. I should plate them.
So you come tell me for.
Come here, and let me can go up on the road now.
Go on which road?
So you make Kayla go up on the road. What do you had?
Hi. I mean your question. Me say, you wash the clothes? You wash the clothes them already?
And then my clothes, me not think me for wash
Me
them.
see that.
Me wash the plate them, me rake up the yard. Me ready, me want to go up on the road now.
Alright. You want to go up on the road? You can't go up on the road till the rubbish burn.
Me don't know if you
Clothes
light
wash.
fire.
All my sheet want wash too. And as a matter of fact, Kayla just get up and she did sweat. And you see, Kayla did sleep and get up. And then she wet because she's sweating at the sheets. So you can take off and change her bed sheet too.
Oh, I put it down for you wash it?
Put down for you for wash it.
No, me not think me supposed to wash it. I me not think me want wash it.
Hold on. Me not hear right. Me sure me gone deaf in my old. Because I couldn't hear you. Little pick me. I tell me no when me give you something to do. Go again. Me say, strip off the bed, Kayla bed, and wash the sheet them too. If you not do it, I'll give you more work for do, you know. Either right, either.
I can ask you something. Me your daughter or me your maid?
But little
Which
girl,
one?
hold on there. I'm put my phone down 90 again, so. And who you a get bright with? I mean, notice that from the other day, you got rank and bright.
Clearly,
you
you don't know.
forget who you
Clearly,
deal with, you know, little girl.
You don't know me in a
You
bright.
forget who you deal with, you know, little girl.
Daddy!
Yeah, that's how now go on up here.
Me have to deal with her rough.
Daddy!
Me have to deal with her rough, because she there a rank with me.
What is the problem?
She there a rank with me.
What?
Me ask her for do some chores.
Come here,
She speak me no one, do nothing, you know.
Don't say this
Don't
picnic.
shout, I'm
Me
talking.
not
I'm
shout.
talking to your father.
Hold
No,
on, my lady.
you
Hold
have
on.
to say.
Give me a minute, my lady.
Rank and rude and out of order. All I take call when big people are.
I want to have in this
You
ring.
see what me have to deal with? No, you see why me have to rough her up and drape her up. Me have to box her down some of the time.
Look, Palm, me attack. I want to have in this ring.
I'm a phone. Because me round
Yes,
this
where
and
they
was
go?
played.
Come see how this a call you.
Nobody now call. You blind?
Oh man, she look like she a take. That's why me can't make she go up on the road. She full of lie.
What my next daughter?
She go up on the road.
Sure.
She good though. She go up
That
on the road with
governor.
her friend.
What she do for a morning?
Nothing. What? Me I try to get her for work. She nah do nothing but give me bad chat. Me tell her to straight the bed. The bed dirty and she sleeping on the
Miss.
dirty sheet.
Give me this.
No.
Give me this. Give me the phone for me
Nah,
take it
give
and mash it up.
No,
me this.
no.
You see what me I deal with though?
Listen to me, listen to me carefully. It's either you not go send me go family or you not go treat me better than this a house here. Because the liar woman here, I tell you say me don't do nothing from her. Ask her who rock up a yard, who wash plate, and she want send me in the back go wash up Kayla bloody clothes them. Me now walk back and no little girl.
Rake up yard. Rubbish.
Lady.
Hold on.
Rubbish. Rock stone about rake up yard.
Wifey,
When
hold
you
on.
not take them up, why you not take them up?
Wifey, hold on the wifey.
Hey.
How we gonna chat to some?
Yes.
Sit down.
And that's your fiddle.
Well, listen. How we gonna chat to some?
That's your fiddle. Drop.
How you gonna talk to some? And this make you feel like you're a woman. Give me this, sir. Give me this. Wallace. And this make you go on like you're a woman. I could never. My wife here chat to so. Yo, what up ahead? Me talk to you.
No, I'm gonna run it from you.
Hey, you see if I never have mercy of God. Me block off a neck away over here saying, my mommy tell you, you know, hey, find yourself in the house. Take away yourself from yourself. Find yourself in the house. Hey, and ramp with me, you know. Hey, I say make sure you behave up here.
Me try.
I say make sure you behave up here.
Me try.
What kind of tone advice that?
And that me I say, that's why you see me come. When you come, me I lick up.
Hey.
Me can't do nothing else.
Come like a chop. You want me chop off her head up
You
here, you
see
know?
what you deal with now?
Hey, make sure you learn our sense up here, you know.
I'm glad you're with this. Me I try with her.
I could never make a daughter go and say to rotted.
Start to wash up the dishes. A big argument. More times me just do it. Or more times Kayla see it and just do it.
You know, say anybody ma call my phone from over there and tell me say, you might hear some loud noise over here like say, you cheat on me with manners.
Man a phone her again. See man a phone her? You see what me I deal with?
Almighty
She
God.
broke me down. Me glad you come.
Yo! I know they can't call me daughter phone in the youth. I'm going to track the number and find you which part today. Remember me tell you. You hear that? Hey, me even know
Cause
check
she
you
going
them.
like big woman and the man that
Hey.
bounce the street and
Now
realize
go down the
that
road.
he-
Me soon forward.
Go on.
Me soon forward.
Come on, find him.
Anytime me hold them.
I bet you to go. I shall bad phone. Brought you. You hear daddy come. You brought you. Hey. Woo.
Girl, why? If you walk down and Miss Alice a while ago, I was stressing. So what going on now, girl? What really is going on?
Me I tell you, me in charge of my yard. And me run that the yard there. Me say me gan kill her with beer, walk back up. Mama, all my clothes them the girl over there they wash right now, me dey on the road.
Yeah, girl.
All my bed she stuff is spread up, plate, everything. Me don't know, you know. Me just lie down like a queen. I don't do too much hard work.
I want to be like you. So,
Yeah,
girl, I can't carry my clothes and come tomorrow,
You
right?
can't carry clothes and come along.
Alright.
Laundry, so you can't carry clothes, come for wash them.
No problem.
Me and your friend, girl. Think you want to get them. What?
Where did you say?
Remember me to say?
Walk your clothes come now. You know how long we did this one, Lisa?
You can't carry clothes over me yard and laundry.
Which
Well,
part the laundry there?
My sister over there. You don't see her over there?
Yo. girl. You're a wicked.
Hi! You know come on, brother.
Yeah. Sure.
Turn up now. Turn up like you're a big somebody, man.
Big somebody, man. Look on you.
Turn up, man. You didn't hide back on me far. I didn't feel
I didn't defend me. You see, I'm making girl, you defend me, man.
You're a wicked sister.
Yeah.
Girl, don't speak in
And
my
so what?
face for your mouth stink. Let me
No,
say
my
if
mouth don't
Shanice no
stink.
brushing arm.
Oh, stop arguing with my friend. And if you want,
not cost, mama.
if you want friend, you have to friend me too.
Come now. So where I just back I go?
You see that
No.
idiot? Let me hang with this.
Me not done with it yet. You're a wicked sister. Imagine your sister the over there and I do so much something for you and you still come out your phone like this and all that.
Me not say that. Me I tell the truth. She wash me clothes them. So me I tell her she can't bring her clothes. Come.
Which car?
Over there. You run over there?
Eh. You see all the chimney we have on that bed with the
No.
little shit from here.
That is too long.
No,
that is
I
too
don't
long.
know too long. That's to show you how big and nasty your big.
Too. I don't have a chimney, mama.
You have
me
a
not
chimney.
have a chimney.
It's scandal bag where you put in a cereal
No.
in a chimney. I
That's
feel.
not mine.
I
That's
feel.
the father. I'm a father. Things you talk about. You come and go down.
So what you doing in your room?
No, mama, I don't have any room. And me and Shani share room. So Shani's
So
nasty
in the
too.
room. Shanice don't nasty because Shanice always a clean out the place. You always did that so. Even Jazz, you remember Jazz where me did see her with when it print and it and walk good on that beach? Even that them see over there with blood. And all of
That's
that
not
stuff
my panty. That's
What
my
you
mother
doing
panty.
So what you doing there?
Remember me doing that? You see me now?
Of
You should
course.
take one picture of me and show me.
No.
Like come like a tap for fast with me on the road, yeah?
Lady, me not fast with
And what
them.
you do then?
Me don't fast with mad people.
Where you tap
Me
for
not
them?
fast with them, me just a speak it them will hurt me because
Oh
they don't
God.
care how to do all of
If
those
it a hurt you, why you not go help her? It a hurt you, go ahead and help her, man. Help her.
No, a good man. You say because then say, I always the people them when they treat and do so, I go make it in a life. This anytime me make it, me want know and see. Me want know and see. Where you go do anytime I make it. You know what me want to do? Want anytime she this and she that and
Yeah.
because our hope on Facebook.
Yeah.
This anytime me make it, me want
Yes.
to beg him. Me
Oh,
want to
that will
me
never
want
happen.
to okay.
As I told Professor right now, Shanice now making no way in her life. Shanice will always be a handicap and a housewife and a maid. She will forever clean. Babe, you said if you got lick in your face, me not defend you. Make she go on now, no? Oh, turn up yourself.
You see? At least she know if you do this something there. If you forget to a man, you can't go please him, man. Because you can't do.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright, you have to
No,
find
yeah,
man.
hire Shanice said you have to clean everything on my man yard. Me don't need nobody else. Me have a sister.
Hire Shanice without
Yes.
subject. What are
Yes.
you?
Yes.
All you. Next time we don't pass with me.
Me a fast with you, I fast with my friend for. Go on, girl.
You see, you feel monkey. Tough like.
Are you tough? You see, you make a girl beat me. Defend me, I'm sorry if you defend me.
Girl beat you. Girl beat you. The girl come, so the girl come like she intelligent. Me girl have to go over here and lick Shanice in her face because I make him friend come power with her fast with me.
Right, you never deal with him now.
Chuck off her face, you know. Because she make a little maga friend.
Alright, friend, calm down.
Me feel offended, you know.
Me feel offended too.
Me feel so offended.
I look dirty, tough, turby girl and take off her slipper. What she think she gonna do with that?
She go lick you in your face with it. Because remember,
I have to defend me.
How me gonna defend you? You see me if you defend myself then with the word when they come out her mouth. You never see that? You never see that? Where
Yeah,
that?
see you.
Yeah.
So
Back
I'm
me not
feeling.
talk. Girl, come go here. Me come go. I feel so embarrassed by you.
So you gonna make you get about me? What if you get about me again? Alright, later.
The girl buck here.
Me go, remember say me go carry the clothes.
We don't go up here yard, looking at dictionary and search up some big word. If
Yeah.
we see her again, because it can be a big word she know.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh. Mama, get up and tap ball. You there, Baba, it's up for Baba. Listen to me now. You see, next time you make you wanna be friends with me on the road and face it with me and my friend, they go thump in your yard. And they gonna make mommy and daddy thump in your yard, you know. Who we are tell a friend about me panty for? When me blood up. We are tell her about it for. Me get panty for go wash out then I go wash out the panty. You gotta tell her. I'm a chimney now. It's if you take out this shit out of the chimney, can go that she way. You gotta tell her. We gotta tell her my business for. You gotta tell her my business for. Girl. Asha.
she come over and see when we didn't wash them.
Look how, so make your friend top come over here. Me no feel like say me need nobody for you come look pa me panty them and then look pa me chin pot. You understand?
Make your friend top
And you
come
guys
over
are-
here.
No, my friend not to come here. My friend close them for wash tomorrow. To me, I call mommy and daddy. Mommy and daddy. Mommy! Daddy! Me I tell them. Me I tell them. Me I chat.
What going on, sir?
You don't want to know, say. You see, sister make her friend come for the work and share me about Jimmy pot and something.
What? That's what me I tell you about this crosses, bad cause daughter you have, you know.
No, listen. You can't call the younger one crosses. A destruction this year.
Yes.
You listen, me just come off a road, just go pick up a piece of food and me not even reaching good, me hear me name a call. Eh? I say you behave.
So what caused that now?
Say if I say you behave.
Little girl, your father talks to you.
Me not think
I mean,
every time she come here contact things and listen and do not ask the other side of
Well,
the
you
story.
have a bad
Then run
attitude.
with fear side. Me no want hear nothing.
You know, say you look like she a virgin again. Me need her to care, go
This
take a
time
test soon.
woman
You know?
long time.
Me need her to care, go take a test soon. Cause he come like he want to start follow the bigger one now. I say you the behave.
No, she not follow the bigger
Yeah.
one because Kayla no give no problem. I wish she follow Kayla. I wish she did follow Kayla. I want if we should have stopped at.
As I see in a
We
behave.
should have stopped at one.
Is this your ball? Don't watch them the tears there.
Down
Cause
the
that
crocodile
fake.
tears. Down the crocodile tears. It now
Yeah,
fool
pretend
nobody
that.
in yourself.
Listen to me. We don't need to worry about she right now. You know, cause I say piece of food me just go pick up in like 5 million the boy then give me in a seat and cash, you know.
That me talk about.
I go plan to buy a new bike next week and
No,
sit
me
in.
love you. That
So we
me
can
talk
type of
about.
walking, you know.
And the tree I will for
I want
concentrate
you,
on.
man. Yo, more if you use this and buy something for you too, you know. Put this in your pocket.
Thank you, daddy.
You know, hold this I'll give you some more to this after I'm done buy bike. You see me? Yo, get up and go wash your plate.
Yeah, man.
Get up and go wash your
Me
plate.
just wash plate.
Kuya.
Yo, me just came and plate from out the road and me just say eat it on the road. You need to wash
I'm
out
sure
it right
I'm
Then
now.
I give a man fi wash it.
Get up and go wash up your plate
And
right
who
now.
you expect to pick that up? A who for you?
A who clean in
A
here.
who for but backside don't pay me do it, me go kill
Yo,
it.
let me lick out the teeth in a sign now.
Me will kill it, you
Get
know.
up and go wash out the
Like
plate.
how me give you life, me can take your life.
Make sure it clean. Lick in your face. That me make you know. Make sure it clean. I mean,
No,
want to
but
see
the
the
lad, you not follow shit.
No, and our friend I'll chop me on the road. That's what me nasty.
Listen to me. Moy, listen to me good. I plan for Senegal College now.
Yeah, right, Danny.
Moy, take up Cosmo work and then little type of work there. You see me?
Yeah.
Front desk. Think I just show you. Let me buy something for you and I come. What that in them? That's my
Mommy.
Idiot. She don't know how to please people.
Hey, mommy.
Yeah, she's a wuss. She sting before she learn how to make honey.
Just make her friend and share me on the road. Make her friend and share me on the road.
I buy this. You know how much money for this?
No, daddy, thanks.
Moy, you
Here
start
too, you know.
doing
Yeah.
here and I'll get the hand so you can't do your nails till you come work.
Yes,
You see me?
Danny.
You see in the day me see her behave like a she?
No, daddy.
Ring off your head in here, so. You hear me say?
Danny.
So make sure me tell me come around your bed always spread up on the room clean.
And she wrote up a bed and me put up it this morning and she wrote it up.
What? So she always do be.
Where you say, babes?
She always a do it. She, every time Kayla sweep, and you see what she do? And Kayla sweep the room, you know?
Tell me look for the money and I
Oh, that me love.
No
more in there, no more in there.
Stick her off with everything, you see me? See if I can make the daughter future here bright.
Yeah, me think you could go get one son now.
No, expensive. The expensive bad.
Yes, me think you could go make one son now.
Yeah, man.
Take
As
it up
long
off
as
the
it
ground, you
come
know
out
much
like
money for that?
you.
Oh, sorry, daddy.
Keep it here, so.
It's too big, you can't hold up there.
Yeah, man,
Oh.
see? If you're not trying, you don't know.
Hey, you're not learning, hey, come on.
All right,
All
baby,
so. Work, you go do that, yeah.
Oh, God. The life.
You feel like I said I never prayed.
Your auntie.
You said I never
Your
prayed.
auntie.
You said I never prayed.
Your auntie.
Yo.
Gonna start already.
Yeah, let
Oi!
Where you coming out, can't see?
Me tell her I say bed down bread good. And she a call lick me. Me never lick you. Don't lick me.
A simple thing for spread the bed. What voices have to raise?
What you do?
You know me
You
don't
start
like
the morning. Girl, if me ever hit in my hand and box you, piss to them. No bother with your redness.
Listen to me, bro.
What you say? What you really say, girl? What you really say? Open your mouth and say it to me good. What you really say? What you really say? About shit, what?
Me want shit.
Mm-hmm.
That me say.
Mm-hmm. I must see that to hear you say. I must see that. Because I couldn't mirror and quit.
Hey, babes, I go up on your work, you know. So I'm going to leave you to talk to them and deal with the right thing. You see me? You see you?
man.
Make sure you sweep off the floor. You see me? And spread up and close them. You? You know for your daily work, you know. Wash out the plate. You see all like grass them in the yard. You see all like grass them in the yard. Make sure you use your finger and pull them out one. And make sure me come in and see no garbage in the yard, no. That me make you know, you know. Come and see, yeah, go on like say. See, I go on like say you hold it. Hey, no, me kill you, you know.
Start the day wrong.
Hey, babes, me go up on the work, you know. Because I remember say, more than come and say, both them ready and see.
Yeah, man.
Grow up!
Hey! You
Should I
see
touch
that?
me?
You see that?
Touch me. Mouth smell like a good farm.
Hey!
Mommy, me not feel like you want to sleep on the
Nah, man. Your
Actually,
daddy give you that for though, but she rank with me. So here what I gonna happen. No. You are gonna sweep the floor. You are gonna straighten up the clothes them. Right? And anything else we can think of. And top
mommy.
everything else.
The bed not spread up good, make sure you
No, the bed no spread good. Hi, picnic. Done with it.
The bed not spread up
For
good.
that, Kayla was going to wash up.
Yeah,
You
man,
wash
man.
up. Oh, yeah, shout after. You wash up and
It's
everything.
rank and bright.
Gala.
And you wonder why people deal with this, so you have no manners. You just huggish.
to you.
You just huggish, so.
Manners go both ways.
Me, I gotta deal with you.
I ain't deal with you.
I'm hungry.
Let me go get the belt and
Mommy,
come in and
that's
see if you
what?
give the attitude. Let me go get the belt and come in. You think say true, you grow like a 1 inch, you're a big one.
I don't want to two.
You're a big woman. Let me go get the belt and see how big you are.
Go on feet and might get to the
You know-
outside instead.
Alright, me
Mommy,
and you.
mommy,
Me and you, but me gonna see who she a gonna lick.
You hungry now?
Come near me.
You hungry now? No man has the little girl.
Near me.
Me just say bed now bread good. You hungry? You
Near
hungry?
me. Cannibal near me.
And me foot them want scrub.
Get me scrub.
They want scrub because they look ready now. Map the floor good at daytime.
We don't put your tongue pan your mappy.
You know, put up on that now, map nothing, you know. Me really see you get rank from the other day.
I'm not funny.
Mommy and daddy can't control something like you.
No.
You need help. You need serious mentally help, you understand?
Me need help. What you need?
Me no need nothing. All me need is the food for eat this morning. I'm hungry, me
Come
hungry.
near me. Mrs.
Don't
Cannibal.
Me don't chat, me hungry.
Me don't chat too.
Come on, easy. My mama tells me hungry.
And me dey push you out in a Savlamar hospital. Out of under you see you come from. You tell me see you hungry like you want me grow this to go cook and give you. Sit down and wait, Panny. Feel salty pot, watch.
Can you see I'm hungry? My girl, me. What go on, girl? I close them, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, give me them.
And then you wash them.
Oh, I'm going to wash my share, wash them, give her them.
Don't carry no clothes, come give me, because you're not that enough.
Hold on. Watch ya. Watch ya. Mommy! 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 Shani's a fight off my friend, mommy! 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 She see my friend coming out and I fight off my friend, mommy!
What happened? Little girl. If you ever met me broke my shoes today. You make me broke my shoes. How?
Me can't close them. This little ugly girl. No, I might close them.
Yeah, me can't. She carry clothes coming for me wash.
No, mommy.
Clothes. Mommy, look at her.
Yes, because Stella left her clothes. Yeah, them to wash, mommy.
Me know y'all get old, but me know you not lose the senses them. You still like Kayla clothes?
My clothes that. Take out my clothes them.
You still like Kayla clothes?
Kayla, see the girl that take out the clothes them.
Take out the dirty clothes.
This look like Kayla clothes.
Don't take out the dirty
Let me
clothes.
ask you something. You buy me another mirror?
Here what? You make me brought my shoes. Me know you not pay for. You make me brought my shoes. Your daddy buy me. I said, what kind of guys in here?
None of
You
them.
all lick me. And call me shit. So here what?
Lady.
Me recognize these as Kayla, so watch them.
You know, see, now,
Yalla who y'all? Who y'all fling clothes after? You get to the yard before me done you. Fling back after who? Mommy, don't make me brought my shoes. My good shoes from foreign.
Mommy, you need to stand up like daddy. You say to daddy talk to she has to itch up in her shell. When every time you talk to her, mommy talk, go some mama lick her up and eat her.
I'm afraid to kill her, you know.
Look how she dash me clothes them on the gun, mommy.
And she not buy none. Make me broke up my shoes, she not buy none.
Mommy, your slippers did done go a long time.
No, the new ones your daddy bring me. That's why I'm so mad. Are the new ones your daddy bring
You
me?
get them washed. Go in your yard.
So tell me something. I hope for clothes to see.
I'm afraid clothes them, but me want sister to wash them. She fi wash them, not true, mommy.
You know, sir. She brighten out harder. I agree with you. Normally, no. But she ranking out harder and she deserve a lesson. That everything we are trying with her, she don't want to learn.
Right, mommy.
Make she wash them. Tell your friend them to bring more clothes.
You go tell her, let me see her.
Tell her to bring her man clothes.
Bring more clothes. Come in here, girl.
Come on, tell her to bring Grim clothes. Grim clothes are there, yeah. Bring that clothes.
And bring your papa clothes, them come. Carry them in, mommy. Carry them in.
Hold on, why me I carry them in the face clothes? Carry it in. Why? No, God. If I have a back time to... Oh.
You good dirty girl. I can't carry clothes for the people for them and wash. Cause y'all think I'm molly. What, my girl?
No, wait fire there.
Me run her back.
I do what?
Girl, come run her so.
Don't tell me say wash out, go wash Kayla clothes.
Girl, I don't kill her clothes. That's the worst part about it.
Are your mother clothes?
No,
Your papa?
no.
Who else?
A little dirty girl named Riri.
Wait, you look maga girl.
Yes, the one day.
So
me I look for you to take up a water out of the drum, girl.
Don't me glad that happened. Don't throw no water in that. Cause anyway, I'll be back.
Mama, me ever watch them before the ugly woman come around and when they see me mama.
Don't do it, me say. Just wait, just cool.
Alright, hurry up and come back, girl. Hurry up.
Don't even move. Turn up yourself. Don't move. Don't throw no water in that. Mother. I say come. Hey girl, are you have me up on the road that look like me mad enough? Let me ask you so now, why you feel like you want to carry your moldy dirty clothes them go over my best friend yard to wash? Huh? Yeah, I like you not hear me.
Mama,
Don't move
my
me.
friend tell me say I can bring my clothes to the laundry.
So if you tell if you jump off a cliff where you are,
Me I jump.
so go and go jump. Hey girl, go.
Yes, if two you feel me don't afraid. Girl, me don't. Let me go. You see my friend? We don't see my friend.
Put me down! You see me friend here!
Yo,
Put your carrier come here for.
nothing on the clothes them. Me I go fever. Do it for me.
You must say, girl, you see me friend but me don't friend her. Actually, Kayla don't. Some of my friends never friend her when me come.
Talk to me, no, I don't like you.
Shut up before I knock your in her face with the bopper. Here! Put it, water there, fight. Come here, so. Rinse them. Wash your dirty clothes. You shouldn't even use the people them water.
They have to turn on the pipe and grow.
Me no business. Turn on yourself. You not have no help or maid there. Sure, come on, know what wrong with it. You think you're big and bougie? My best friend you walk out, take advantage of me. Her best friend, I'm going to ask this girl to wash my clothes. The girl like get me upset, you know, man. Bright. You should
Give me clothes them.
Wash them!
Turn them up.
You feel cheat one can get I can manage to one, you know. Kind of afraid that you are gonna clear them up.
You know what? You said I come hungry the girl. All of that takes strength. I am hungry. You hungry? Okay, well me, I'll go over my I go find something to eat. So if you're ready, take you back later.
Alright, me go sit down at the door.
Go in, I'll go sleep. If you're tired,
Me think me want go in. Me go sit down at the door.
somewhere, go and go breeze.
Yeah.
Walk and clear your mind. I don't make nobody take advantage of you.
Alright,
Yes.
later.
Yeah, later.
Be good, baby.
Hold on, give me a moment, mommy. Hello, you can come back in the next couple minutes, please. Me I deal with a real important business right now. Okay. Terrible that, mom. Mommy, you need to talk to Shanice, mommy. Me don't like how she treats you. When why she done something to she had dash the bug pan you, man. Me don't like that.
Like it neither. Me have a plan
This
for
is what we gonna do. Yes, when daddy come, we all want no go, so we gonna say it goes, so we must talk it, make daddy believe. Cause he come like a can't manage only daddy alone can't do that, you know.
And you know, for work too.
So what we are gonna do is when daddy come in, we are gonna tell daddy say yeah, push on our tribal living here water, say push you don't make daddy know if you deal with her.
Who there?
Sit there. Hey baby, you come.
Who there?
We're glad to say you come. We're glad to say you come.
Why?
Oh God, baby, alright.
Somebody kill me out the day, son.
Yeah, man, you look tired for true. Come, sit down.
Something is real.
Come sit down, baby. Come sit down. You look tired.
It's so nice still. Yes, bye.
Buy food.
KFC fan of this.
I know, say you love me, you know. I know, me love you.
I don't see this, man.
Thank you.
So, everything I run off, everything I run
Why? Sit down first. Let me sit down. Let me make you sit down first.
Alright,
Come in and sit down and rest off. Because,
How she looks so?
she know why. A beer trouble she dey agi. What? A beer trouble she dey agi. I cuss off. I fling back. I push me down.
You know I'm becoming nothing good in life, my daughter. Every day I see him attitude. One tear. Hold this. This is for brush your teeth as.
You see what me there talk about, baby?
No wonder why your
You
mouth
see
stink
what me
and your
talk
mouth always
about?
stink. Hold this and brush your teeth. And make sure you brush it every morning. And a ramp with me, you know. Oh, you look so one tear.
Can I carry her friend dirty clothes and come over here for me wash?
You
and then
lie.
I see. I'm talking about Akela clothes them. And she don't even know.
No, daddy me tell you the truth, daddy. I'm a friend in bar, me
Hold on,
close
what?
them.
Yeah, friend.
Yes, Riri.
You know our man, my scream daughter from down the
Oh,
road.
Gingy.
Yes. And me close them to the bar and she carry them back and me tell her if I go wash them.
You know, see how I'm wicked. You ever see
I'll
Gingy?
fight me.
You ever see Gingy have a problem? So you try to sit up, Riri now.
If you're gonna listen to one such story, why ask me my side? Oh, that makes sense. Why waste my time?
One side of which story? For your side sound like legit.
Then if you never legit, why you want to hear it every time?
Well,
It never yet legit to you. What should do from morning? Ask her. Every day you come, you ask me what me do from morning.
Remember so when me I leave out this morning, me tell me daughter if you spread up the bed and sweep out the house. And in here it's very clean.
She spread up the bed.
Of course, I'm gonna see her fingerprint them on the bed and everything.
God.
What you talk about? What you do? What
Ready
you
for
do?
take credit that don't belong
What
to
you
she.
do?
I can't feel it. You come.
Make sure me come out the door yet me see say grass then clean up for the back and that me make you know.
She not do
Oh.
nothing. What? She not do nothing. She there fight. She can't
fight for
break the
me.
slippers. The brand new slippers you buy me. She push me down a dirty. You know, see me have to change my clothes. She
Right
push me down a dirty.
Mommy, Gingy, she fly to Gingy daughter.
You don't know
Fly,
what
Riri.
going, yeah? You don't know what you go on here when you're not there, B?
So, babes, wait till me say, make a little girl a roll up.
Me have to shut her box. But to raise my pressure.
Babes, you make a little girl a roll up.
Hi, what you do? Remember, I'm a Shanice this, you know.
Babes,
I'm a Shanice this, you know.
You make a little girl a roll up.
And you make she get so, you know. And you make she get so. And you make it so. And you make it so.
Babes.
Who you think you are grab?
Babes.
Who you really think you are grab?
Babes.
Show me shorter than you. You think you can
Babes.
manhandle me? Me no name Shanice.
Just see if you know I'm cut off this year.
Hey, I did you
Babes,
on dead.
be
I
the
did you
body
on
and the
dead.
right thing in the yard.
Hey,
And do that in
hey.
a good way, yeah?
Hey, just go sleep.
And listen to me,
Cut
daughter.
nothing and go sleep.
I'm proud of you.
About
Yes,
cuts.
Daddy.
I'm very proud of you.
Yes.
Continue to do good in life, okay?
Yes.
Daddy.
Sweat.
Yes,
And you
Daddy.
have to do hard work out the road.
Me
You
work
sit
hard.
up.
Yes,
And
me
she say, love
know.
me, make me put you up in my
Me
place.
know.
You hear? So you more you have to take care of them and stop making that get out of hand.
And you fi deal
You
with
get tired
her.
of it.
Maybe when you deal with
Yeah.
her,
Me no want
come here,
to
go kill her, you know.
I don't want to
And
go and
me
jail
bring
again.
her here, me can take her
So, my
life.
daughter, I'm
Oh.
very proud of you.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes.
Okay? Continue to do good and good will do you, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
I'll buy your present tomorrow, okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah.
And she forget the present, she and me.
Yes.
And she and me forget the present
Continue love
then.
on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
When the deal may be rough, you know.
She only want to kiss her more in front day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right, later. Me and you
Contact
later. Me and you later.
Alright, this. Alright!
All right. Work. Let's see how we believe it. Let's see how we believe it.
Mommy, you see next time that I talk, you calm down. Cause while I go me see G up, you think you drop down.
No, him not do me nothing, man. Him not do me nothing. Cause what me give him not get out of road. So him not gonna do me nothing.
Oh,
But me like how you play.
Yes.
You see, I'm proud of you. Me proud of you too.
yeah,
Yeah.
put on the comb.
Me proud of you too.
Wanna lie?
All right, me gonna heat this up, it kind of cold, and me and you share, cause your father eat already. Cause she don't deserve no food. I
Alright.
give her the bone
Yes.
and the scraps. All right, me gonna heat
Alright.
it up again.
Yeah.
Me soon come. Mm-hmm. Scrap, she forgets.
Baby, go on. No, when I told mommy did in the room. Let's go look for one in there. Ooh. Oh, yeah. But sure. Our yeah, I might try to use the phone now.
We're not on the phone.
That we have whatever that one game in
What
front
is
of you.
it?
The iPad.
Spell iPad.
We not spend the iPad. Give
You
me the
can't
iPad.
get it then.
Give me the iPad.
No, I'm not think me want to get an iPad. Me think say, if you go clean the bathroom.
No. Me not clean no bathroom.
So I want to go clean
No bathroom whatsoever. Anybody that clean bathroom is you.
Me tired for walk and walk because you and your ugly mama. Cause I know my mama that's not that your mama. Me tired for
Oh,
walk.
Sandra.
No, under me come to my swap them swap me hospital. Look pan them and look pan for you and look pan for you. Then they resemble. I just you are
this me mother.
me I tell you say to no ugly.
You really are this me mother and I'm on here, Shanice.
Then no, cause me can't tell her in front of her.
It's me mama. It's me mama. Yeah, this me mama. We are this me mama for girl. Yeah, idiot. Yeah. Oh, this me mama. Give me this too. Give me this too. Tired you want to break and rank. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, what?
Go in there.
You are what? We want.
What no?
Right.
I want to go
You
in
beat
there.
her?
Yeah.
What you beat her for?
She a kind of ugly. She like this my mother.
Know which mirror she looking at. Let me get one too. Let me get one too. You long to get some slap and lick. Short her, they're rude.
Hey, ready me already, you know. I want to go in there.
You wanna follow the cowball in the action act? Or crocodile?
You lick here.
Yes, I'm a liquor but daddy.
Feel it them can't even mash hands. So how should we feel it them?
Because you're pretty.
Yo, get up. Get up out that bed.
Look at the bed Kayla just spread and she mesh it up already.
Get up for the bed.
Yes, so that's how we are fat because she's pretty and she call money ugly.
Almighty God. What?
She call money ugly.
Four babes think I'm ugly.
Be your mommy.
Girl. ready to get that
Here
shit.
with you.
Hey, you see when they want that shit, Bill, me should have tell us if you do it.
And one time you agree with you, you know?
Almighty God, she really said about her mother.
Yes.
Miss sorry me bring her home.
What she say about me? What she say about me?
She said, all you goof off the talk and chat a morning time.
What?
You not feed her, you abuse her.
Oh,
You said about me, daughter?
and rude.
You said about me? It's alright. It's alright. Tell her I'm a princess.
Listen,
Don't make she get for your head.
listen.
I'm a queen, me don't want you to make she get for your head.
It's hard, but may I try.
Tell her my boss just called me.
Mm-hmm.
And the road me I go to deal with criteria business then, you see me?
You
You know no rope.
You find some.
Find something man, cause me need her to
I'm
pay up so she
tired.
can't stop. Molest my princess here, so you better we send her a cups, you know.
Cops not gonna accept she.
Right, you better we send her a
She too
cups.
rotten for cops.
I can't believe your mouth say you. He ain't give the turn in the belly 2
Disgusting.
more days. Any of the turn in the babe's belly 2 more days, turn one boy. And them the way they operate. And nasty.
The one thing you should have dashed in this in your world.
You can't even put a ear knee together like I'm a princess here, so. Kayla, look on Kayla. Eh? From morning, I just a beard. Hey,
She
babes.
not dead, she just wipe herself. You know, see how the water clean same way. And look how she dirty and her mind dirty.
I go look in the for me that work.
She not dead.
I go look in the for me
She
that
just
work.
wet the rug and come out.
Make sure your beard, and that may make you know. Hey,
And give
babes.
a bad name.
So
Yes,
come on.
baby, walk good.
Princess.
Alright, daddy, bye bye.
Princess.
Yes, daddy.
Princess.
Yes, daddy.
Knowledge.
Yes, daddy.
Knowledge.
Yes, daddy.
Remember, me give you something to go on.
Yes, daddy.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Later, babes.
Later, baby. Me don't know what to do with you.
Dirty girl. Right, go your style, me mother. Who is you?
Who is she?
So here what
Let she do
now?
something here, no, she there
Here
too
what?
long.
Kayla did spread the bed. Re-spread the bed. The bed needs re-spreading. And it's time the mattress turn over to
Yes.
and air out.
Yes, mommy.
For true. And me see where
And she need to wash your feet.
me see where you throw things on the floor.
Oh,
So sweep up the
sweep
road. Sweep up the
Come, mama,
house.
come. Work.
Maybe if you could do some cleaning, might clean your mind and clean your spirits. And you need some
Mommy,
cleaning.
guitar, mama. Mommy, guitar. She not
No,
mommy.
she must know. She must
No,
know.
make
Can
it
take
up.
one phone call.
Make it
One
up.
phone call. Come, don't touch her crap. I don't want to see you so pussy in you. Come out. You sound my belly. You sound my belly, man. Come out. Come out.
Right.
You sour me out.
Kayla. Walk on, girl. Run. There, good. There, girl. What's up? Where you come from?
You know, say I'm from here, me come from, say me come back and check if me walk down on the road.
Mr. Girl, the other day me hear a mouth from me. That what happened?
You don't know, say. Your little tough sister call her best friend. Our best friend come look for me out the road, lift me up out the road, carry me over your yard, girl, want me to carry, take on my dirty clothes them. So my clothes them did not get to wash.
But yeah, he did make girl call her to come over here. Mommy! You don't understand, girl. I just realize you can't fight.
Oi.
Come here.
Hi.
Hello. Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We can go on the road.
Yeah, man, where you go?
No, my friend and take a walk.
Alright, go cool off.
Alright.
Alright, walk good. Be
Yeah,
careful.
bye-bye.
Alright, be careful.
We'll come back.
Walk good. And watch the road. What you do? If you have time to lean, you have time to clean. What you do? Little girl, may I talk to me, not talk to myself. What you do?
Oh, God have mercy. Even when me not there near where you find me.
Look how much thing in the yard for do. You sit down and your ass and do nothing. Like say nothing a day for do. Look the dirty water in front of you, you don't even know if to try it where I'm mop out the place. Look on the litter. Look on the rubbish in front of you, just sit down there. And you wonder why me and your father mad with you the whole time.
Wonder why you mad with yourself.
Are you a drive me mad?
Me drive you mad.
You see the
One
yard
day,
have
one
plenty
day, you
work.
no go see me. So, I'm one day here for drive.
Well, while you're there, you're under the roof. While you're there, if you do something. Come, man. Ready up yourself and sort out the place. Sort out the place. You're too lazy and slight and slow. You're mad my head. What's sure you still a dirty the dirt, man? Come, man. Find something to do. That's why we can't stand you.
Let me just move on for the Get you the earth up the head.
Trish,
Can a girl?
Who I call you?
man.
We there here. What happened?
No, me there walk past and me hear commotion about.
The lady
So
over
what
there
if you
come
hear
out
commotion in my yard? Me can't talk in my yard, little girl. Me and my daughter talk. Me I put my daughter right. You still there?
You blind?
Yeah, you don't feel like
You want me to
feel
shut
like
your back?
walk
So
past
go do
them.
something, man.
Girl,
Little
yeah,
girl, she
that
can't
woman
do
doesn't
nothing
want me
now.
go nowhere.
Let me tell you something. Here and now. Me I go into the room.
We
All
are
this better clear up. All of this better clear up before we come outside. Oh. And nobody make she tarry neither because she's still
What
at
you mean, like
already.
shit are you? Where so she alone have a clean up then?
So she not have 2 hands and 2 foot, her hand and foot join church.
Yes.
Don't bother rank with me, you know.
Miss me not rank with
Don't
you.
bother
No,
rank with you.
I'm just flipping
Here,
a question.
here.
I am not ranking with you. If I ask you one question, I have rank with you. But me say me
No,
did
your
come over here and I
tone.
wanna rank with you.
No, your tone.
No, this is my original tone. I can pitch high and I can pitch low, and this is my low. So no, but it unfair. She a go take up zinc or something. What if you cut her?
She not do nothing in the yard.
Oh
From
no,
she
miss.
wake
I am
up.
her best friend. You can't tell me nothing.
You are
You
go-
wanna hear it in Spanish?
You are gonna
Nada,
tell
you
me
can't
how
tell
to
me.
run my yard?
No, me, you
A
crazy.
2 girls me
If-
bringing in this
If
world.
you are on
and
this
a
yard,
2
you
girls
know.
me raise.
And then look, you are one alone areas. Let me tell you
Let's
that.
see her, you
The
know
last
what?
one literally raised herself because me did it with her through thick and thin. I mean know how to mistreat her. And
So are you make she get her enough this from?
yes, me
Oh,
see you one.
well,
Me
here
not go
what?
to maid and talk.
Come go in yard because I don't want you rub off on my child.
I'm a rub off already. Miss me
Me
copy
see
and
it,
paste.
me see it.
So what you say,
Now
what
me
you
know
say
where the
me gonna-
cause is. See,
Which
she
cause?
inside where she belong and she doing what she's supposed to do. If you want to know here
If
with
you-
the puss and the dog and the rubbish where you belong, I feel
Miss-
your business.
Let
Me
me check on
don't
myself.
talk. Me
No,
don't
if
talk.
she a go and chat
Turn
about
out
take
to the
away
rubbish and the
rubbish
puss
and
and the
so.
dog, and then
No,
she
Miss, you
belong.
already a take away yourself. You're the rubbish. No more no the fit take away. You're biggest rubbish right here. So me not understand this. Why you tell me about an hotel with rubbish and me did already the hotel with rubbish. Lord, so many. Shanice!
But I'm just fed up and tired. But we are going. Girl, right now, I even want to walk in.
Me
I
buy
tell
your
you
bag
now.
too. So come
Me
on.
just want one more fire. So I swear to God, China. Me no can't buy when you come back here, man, I turn and you can't pick in no more.
What you mean that girl? What you mean run away? Eh?
Run
Aye.
far for you. So.
You know, for me. I guess what my mom me I go through me did I go through something like you, but me no want counselor, him help me and something. You want to go meet you want to go to come go check him. You carry that boy around with girl and run away from me. Walk up man, walk with a jolly heart.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Mr. Jones. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, I'm my best friend come here because she did
Good
say like
evening.
Evelyn. What happened now? Where's happened?
he said I'm plan to kill himself and run away. So me carry her come to you.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
For what?
You no counselor, sir?
Yeah, but why? What the reason why no what me talk to her about? Me not really a non chain, but give her that bucket now she sit down right here, so.
Mr. Jones, you never no chair. Bring me away, sit down. Come catch your back behind me.
What's the problem you have at home now?
Yeah, me can't manage no longer. Oh, your name Mr. Jones?
Yeah, Mr. Jones.
Alright, my name is Shanice.
Uh-huh.
I'm just tired.
Tired of what?
Tired of the ill treatment.
And treatment. Oh, caused by family. Which one of them family members?
Mama, Posse, everybody did it. I feel like they stopped me at hospital.
Alright, my daughter, I'll be soon talk to you. Yeah, my niece, go on one side, my daughter.
So,
And
make up your mind, your niece or your daughter.
my niece and daughter in one. I adopt her. I adopt her from my sister.
Alright, continue.
Because my sister don't know how to maintain child, you know. But anyway, as I said now to you, you see, things like this will make Pitney hang themselves or want to murder themselves. We have to look at life the next way. Where you see a future,
No, see.
you don't see a future.
If they not send me to school, how me go see?
You ever try to teach yourself?
Me don't have no time, so alright, so I can understand. As me wake, me have to pray the bed. Wash plate, wake up the yard, wait for my sister to carry her dirty clothes and give me for me wash them. Then our dirty friend carry her clothes can give me for me wash them too. Then me have to go to the door, go use machete and cut up the yard.
No.
Then
No,
me
you have
me
to
don't
tell
have
me
no
say you
time.
use-
Me don't have no time itself to do no self-teaching.
Now your hand tell me say
Yeah, me use my hand because the cutlass half a your angle gone.
Your mother work?
No,
Your father work?
sometimes.
Sometimes. So, who give the rules in the house for you and your sister?
Mother. No, you see, my father say A, as in turning back, my mother say B, C, D.
So she flipped the thing and give everything to do.
Yes, and when he come and me explain to him, he know and listen to me. He say me I tell him lie.
Yeah, how much?
17.
17. You have a boyfriend? So why are they cheating like this?
No.
Because she a jacket, sir.
Huh?
I feel like she
No, it's not a matter of jacket. You know. It can be something wrong with the family. It can be.
nothing wrong with the family because our father brown, right?
Uh-huh.
And our mother dark. And she come light and say, it makes one feel of my mother, dead stamp my mother, literal copy and paste. And then she know we not take no after none of them.
Alright, you wanna know. Cause when you catch me now on bad times still, but it don't really matter to me right now. Cause I love to talk to people. People like Uno have plan to hang on yourself. Life is sweet, you know. Life is sweet.
No experience the what they
You can't think about hang yourself. You have to think, oh, cause you say you're 17. When you're 18. December, right. So you have to think, say, where you want to be in the next lifetime, even when you're 18. Because practically when you're 18, you can walk out. But
Don't go here, sir. If me don't have no subject, come here get work in order for rent somewhere.
no, sometime in life, you know, we are teaching. I'm tired of that. It's like me have to go work my school here. You don't have to have subject for work. Because I see people with 10 subjects sit down. Some of them mad out. Some of them are wheel up with teacher. The system. Then charge you for subject, but they don't want you to get none. I told them I make money off a hit. Why then charge you for subject and the subject is the future. No, look at me. I don't got no subject.
You ain't got no future.
I mean have a good quality. See, me can maintain anything. Right?
Oh,
By owning my own business.
where they?
You don't need to ask me where it is. Right now, sit, I mean, you come to for advice.
Me never really come to you for no advice,
She
you
never
know.
come now,
As
I'm a
she
jogger.
carry me come here, come me done, me come my mind is either hanging or running. One need to work.
Young miss, talk about hanging and
Alright,
running.
me will run.
Where you gonna run to?
God.
Yeah, everybody run to God. All right, this is the thing. Do you believe in God?
Them must believe in God.
Right. When you pray to God, what you pray for?
Mother did.
For your mother dead, this is the thing. You pray to God for your mother to dead. You think God is that wicked? Huh?
God, I go watch them sit down and watch how they ill treat me. If in that wicked for watch that thing can't do anything, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna leave you with advice because this is the last thing I want to say to you. You see, when you go home, you go down on your knee and pray. But you don't pray for what you want. It's not gonna happen. You understand? You see, anything you pray for, now go come true. Me can tell you that. You pray. Just pray. That's all you need to do. Pray. You get up in the morning, you pray. You go on your bed, you pray. Do not pray for what you want. It now go happen. Because you have some of them people here, then get up and pray to God for good man or good woman. No. It's not going to happen like that. God is going to look on you and say, oh, only when you want things, you come pray to me. God don't like that. You want something, but don't mention it in it. Just pray. God is going to answer your prayer. When they always a silent prayer, come true, meaning why you pray to God, you know, and what in your silence I come true, you know. Because you not mention that. That's a silence something. You want it, but you not pray for it. So you see, if you pray for your mother dead, it not gonna happen. You can be the one that die. Or your father. You understand? So don't pray for what you want. And tell anybody out there, when you pray, don't pray for what you want. God don't like that. Because you want one car, see ya. Father God, let me get a car, God. Look how Master Joan get a car. Father God, please, I beg you. No, God not like that. Just pray. Just get up and pray. Thank you, God. This and that. Just pray. You understand? She, before me used to counsel her, she used to have a little banger. And every time she said she had pray for her phone, I tell her, stop to pray. Stop praying for her phone. Just pray to God and see there. God bless her with her phone. You understand? You don't pray for things because you want it.
Pray and then make it good treatment.
Just pray. Just pray.
When we pray, I'm gonna get food to eat.
Just.
I'm gonna stop starve. I'm gonna stop work on myself like me and maid.
Just pray. That's all I can tell you, sir. Just pray. We need to pay attention to my niece now. So, we can check back another day. Just pray. And then you come back and tell me how things work out. Mr. Aisha?
No, who name so, sir?
No, your right name?
No.
How your name again? Come back to my yard.
I come back here, I come back to phone.
My niece? All right. Time for you go and go eat. Go on.
Yeah, easy, you know.
Babes!
Hey!
Baby!
You're good.
Baby!
Good to see you. Oh, glad to see you.
Baby.
You alright?
What do you man mean to me alright in some morning?
Yeah, man, you look alright.
Happy day.
Always happy day when you're around.
Babes, today's sweeter. How much something buy?
Oh no, what you have?
This. Yeah, let's cook flour, baby. You can't
yes.
flour business.
Yeah, man, I'm tired of flour. I'm tired of flour.
You know how much money rice that, babes?
This is about £3.
6
pound.
pound, babes!
Ah.
3 pound alone one thing on my plate.
Yeah,
So
man.
then pick me and them out food too, you know.
I'm not even going to show the other one.
Hey, so one night, that we do it. Yeah, tell me if I do it longer, I couldn't bother with it.
You understand?
Get the buck up, you know.
Ah, tonight I got really sweet.
Trouble when
Tonight
it starts,
I got sweet. My volcano I got rock tonight.
Hold on, babes. It's if you picking them in our day, they have to go share this because couldn't bother to buy too expensive.
No, man, that's a for killer.
Huh?
That's a for killer.
Babes, it's for me too picking them, they have to go share. What is this?
Alright. That's a for the other one.
You know what this for?
That's a for the other one.
No,
Miss
babes.
Badmouth.
The way I kiss one night, babes. Actually, me never did want to tell you, babes. So this is for kind of, you know, if you use my toothpaste, I see me this have to brush out your mouth, babes. I see me else. Look a bit. Can't wash your hair too. Babes, man. This can't wash your hair too, babes. See, I make it drain out, because I have to test it first. I see it. I'm putting it in.
Well, Kayla,
Kayla!
Kayla's supposed to go on the road Me never send the other one. Me tell her to clean up and she gone.
What? You make it Pinelli for you again, babes?
Me can't stop her. I fight, she won't fight me. Take it in there, much fight, she won't fight me.
I forgot to get out of my life or something.
You and your picnic them. You picnic them and man, me will see Kayla here. At least she come back.
Where you come from, my daughter?
Me go apologize to my friend Riri for what happened.
Oh, princess. Oh, damn princess, man. That alone I do.
Yeah, me apologize to her.
Where your next sister there?
Me don't know where she there. Me didn't find her.
She sneak out. That me I tell you. You come just in time.
Yo. You not see her?
No, I'm not saying.
You sure?
I think when I tell me glimpse her shot back with one man a war.
What?
That dirty friend come take her out to the yard.
Me
run the friend. Me inside. I take up where she leave.
What?
Can you me tell her for talk of the devil and the devil himself appear.
Where you come from?
I got one counselor.
What? So you go road me? You go make me daughter go road to make man counsel him? You go in her house to make man counsel you?
I'm going in a house to get no counsel. Me the outside with the man and Kena.
Give me a good explanation for me to chop off your head to them, my daughter.
Chappy, I have nothing to lose right now.
You're carrying the bag.
Yeah, man, carrying the bag, put it inside. Come me want to see this.
Where you coming from?
I go down the road. Let me just stick and tell us explaining myself. I don't make sense.
This little girl thinks she a big woman already.
Oh! So you're big
Little
now?
miss.
Wake up on the road, go to my daughter. My daughter, you know, I love you, my daughter. I don't want to hurt you, my daughter. I don't want to hurt you, my daughter. Wake up on the road, go do. Which counsel you go to? So me can counsel you.
You there? If you come and me tell us say, then walk me out, you tell me say I lie me. I tell me tired to explain myself to you over and over.
Correct.
Yeah. That's how we
lazy.
Hey, shut him out. Shut him out.
No,
shut him out.
You tell blatant lie.
Hey, I make my daughter go and say, and I get to study everything we go on from what you know. Come see when you talk to me daughter. You not take control. You see me make them left the yard. You see me make them left the yard.
Make them left the yard.
Go and cook your food. Go on inside.
Me not do nothing until this straighten out. But go on left.
Oh, yeah. I mean, alone can't straighten out this, you know. The only thing you can straighten out is you hear them by your head, you know. Go on inside, go cook, babes. Babes, this is not the time. Babes, don't me hurt you in front of my daughter, babes. Babes, go inside.
Who you switch pan?
Babes, go inside.
Me one day, I deal with them. Thank God Kayla not get trouble.
By the way,
you know what? Me I go inside. But you stand there wait for food.
One inside.
Stand there wait for food.
One inside.
Stand there wait for food.
Don't
Actually,
broke you up out here, so you know. Listen to
you
me.
know what to do.
My daughter, one thing, my daughter.
tired.
Tired when my daughter look come here work hard, come here sweat.
Treatment.
Come here work hard to take care of you.
I work hard to take care of Kayla.
Which ill treatment every day me come here then they have to give me warning about you. One thing, my daughter.
How me if you wash, clean, cook, break, me I want me.
I know you alone do that, me not split up work for you and my daughter when time me a go.
Do not do it. When you leave, your babes turn round. This if you left and say when you left, babes say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All Kayla do is lie down and sleep. And when she wake up, me supposed to spread bed back after she get up.
You have a phone though?
I'm just trying myself right now.
You have a phone though?
Then she take out the phone.
Before she take you away, no only if a complaint to give to me.
You never listen to nothing.
You don't have a camera for your phone. You have a video something and show me if me can see proof.
I think me supposed to video not to show you. You're my father. You're supposed to listen to me.
Go on so go wash your plate them.
So me a
Go on round there so go wash your plate them. I'm say me come on there and dirty you we see. Can you can tell pay lie from family them like you feel like you can turn against the family them. Hey, go and see him. Go inside, go get something to eat.
Of course, the girl.
I mean, not really. I walk a look.
No, we just a walk. What happened?
So what was the last? You start prayer, you know, pray.
I start prayer, but I'm not seeing no changes yet. I just can't wait till my birthday.
So what happened? Why you don't see no changes yet? That is the thing, you know. You have pray for see changes. I'm tired to tell you. Just pray. And everything will be alright. That's all you need to do. See, look, look at your friend.
What do me?
He looks shiny, right? Glory upon him.
Glory now and come for me then.
No, you
I guess me
can't.
have to just love Glory alone.
You can't say that. I'm telling you. You're young. Free your mind. You ever sit down and talk to your father why am I him treat you? Or your
I'm
mother?
not that somebody who don't want to talk to me.
You see when you want people to pay attention to you, you faint like you die.
Me sure know they not look for me.
Jesus, me and you would attend your own funeral.
Who do? So your family they really that cold hearted?
I cannot
Probably like
understand.
a different language you're talking of.
Huh?
Sorry, you don't understand English. Tabak so you see them over and over. What make you then come to you and tell a lie?
You feel like she not do. You feel like he's a problem to the family.
Oh,
You feel like you get trouble. You sneak out
Him
your
a
back.
want to, you know. You realize him a want to? It's the same thing when family them a say. How you feel sneak out when every day? You never get time to sleep. As you lay down sleep, you have to get up and do back the same son them over and over. For sure,
So
you.
you involve me.
Me not involve you because you say same thing like our parents.
where you do
and the
that
same
to
son them
support
a
light
chat.
was lean up?
Current your thief, sir.
Huh?
Current your thief.
No, internet can do that on the phone too.
Girl from big
We
man.
are use the people the internet too.
Girl
Hey, me
from
I
big
say,
man.
big because they are thief Wi-Fi.
So hold on, let me ask you a question.
Sir, don't stop on me, please, may I beg
The
you.
big old prime minister for the country, you know, if he
No,
tell
don't
my too.
involve me.
You know,
Don't,
if he tell
sir, don't indulge me in nothing that has to do with Jamaica. Look here, me small. If they drop one bump on me, bloops, me gone in a flash.
Right, that's what
Okay, so don't say nothing to me. Yeah, thief Wi-Fi, that manageable. But don't mention nothing about Jamaica to me,
your
Prime
family
Minister.
know.
Right.
You need to talk to them.
About what?
Put the two of them to sit down one place. Don't
Yeah. Put the two of them in one place. Don't involve my sister.
Don't involve your sister there. Because your sister going to distract them. Just put the two of them one place and question them. Why you don't like me? Why you treat me like that? Why you give me so much work? You understand? Then you will find out the truth. So if you don't do that, what do you think I got up to you?
Me hungry. Nobody tear down my shoulder.
And I'm here, your family.
But you they help bring me down.
Me bring it down?
Yes.
More than invite. Eh?
Invite me where?
How do you look a skittle?
Hello.
No, the
What's your mouth?
Gingino.
Wait,
You know
let me
why?
have phone, sir. Make me watch my mouth. Yeah, I'm watch my mouth. Let me have phone.
You know why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm my sister friend,
Well,
Gingy.
she say I'm on carry her clothes come over there for she wash, for show you how them bright and tan. But me angler, me put her in her place.
So, you have to wash fear clothes. Your sister clothes. And over clothes again.
The mother and the pa.
You washing machine.
Me a washing machine everything now and wash her, rinse, everything.
You see what you don't know? And we need to talk to the parents. Because you see, me don't know. We need to get both sides of the family. Because what you tell me can be lie. Because there's no way a parent don't make you wash your sister friend clothes. There's no way.
She tell her mother stay fear clothes.
And her own mother don't know what she buy.
No look so.
You have any problem at home?
Oh, me no. Me no. Nobody can mess with this maga girl. I'm crazy.
It's still a war?
No, me top.
Oh, come and warn you about that. Fighting is not good.
So yeah, do right also. I'll need answer that
Alright,
question
listen.
there.
Girl in a here thief Wi-Fi.
No washing the mouth, you know.
We can't
What?
see it.
You say wash. When you cover, we use like a water.
Right. Wash out in the mouth when you not talk to me, yeah? When you have manners. Don't face it with me no matter what me I do right, yes, so. The question is, where I come from up there, so?
Me I come from me yard.
Where you are come from kind of up so you live?
PR yard.
So we had to a fear yard.
Also, I can't go visit my best friend. What a life you living? Can't you see your life sad? Very sad.
Only young girls is the definition of missing in Jamaica. Uno.
Dos.
And your parents is the
Stress.
definition of
Ocho.
making kids
See ya.
murder themselves.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, I think a Spanish you account, you know.
No.
Anyways, me come go shop.
Wow.
Yeah, so
You were
later.
went in.
Wow.
Later.
Sorry, you don't feel like you want to buy Roland to put on your arm.
You feel like you want that bitch.
Sir, douching is wrong. Douching give you infection. Sir, you never know that. Eh? When you douche, you get infection and everything.
Kenna.
Sir, I'm not afraid of you. You're a counselor. You can't do me nothing. I'm not afraid of you. Where you think you be?
Come, girl, come. Me can't take a bus head.
I know something lick him back. Your friends, think me afraid of you. Sir, not because I tell you, say, I put on fighting. That don't mean I'm not afraid to lick you. I feel
Then I can't lick me down.
Lawrence and a sword. You know, here he asked me if my top fighters.
But see ya. Where Tweedledee and Tweedledum go? Where you come from?
When I come from where me I go.
Both.
I'm coming from a yard and I'm going down the road.
You're coming from your yard and you go back to your yard. Where you really think you go?
Where you are going, mommy?
Me the adult, you not ask me nothing. Go your yard. Nobody's saying you go nowhere. Me no business with you. You have your own appearance. Go your yard.
Lady, you can't have a business with me.
But saying like anybody's saying you go nowhere. Me case, man. Why you walk so slight? Me case, if I ever reach you, my foot I go make you move.
Girl, see the man. When I see them, I talk to you. That man, yeah. So sorry, get what you want and then gonna know. See the man here, my dear.
Are really your friend this?
You're blind, yes, I'm a friend.
You always say, show me your friend and me tell you who you are.
Where you talk about?
Why you take up a why you take up a friend like this?
What's wrong with her?
Huh?
Turn on.
You don't see?
No.
You don't see nothing wrong with her?
There's something wrong with you. Cause you have cataract in your eyes.
Something really wrong with you. Listen to me, you can't take up my friend and make you in-treat your sister like that.
Me not ill-treat my sister.
Yeah, me, make people ill-treat them stuff we are talking
And I
about.
can't fear dirty clothes them.
How tell them I sit there?
Come give your sister for wash.
Why would I take on my dirty clothes them? Here I go give fear sister for wash. I fear clothes them when me
You
call up
have
on her yard and me carry
You
back
have
her
sense?
clothes.
You have
back
big
her
men that have
yard.
no sense.
When she
You
come
have
on
sense?
yard, when she come on my yard, she leave her dirty clothes them. So I bring back her dirty clothes them. Come give her. Me and her best friend.
If Yana was best friend, you would have washed her dirty clothes them and take the clean clothes to her yard.
Me have washing machine at my yard. Me don't need that to wash
Me
my
don't
clothes
have
them.
one leaf to wash. Me not think me could have take up no more.
Look here. Look pan her.
Come a little bit.
Look pan her good.
All
I want she wash my
me
clothes them.
to wash too much dirty clothes.
When my clothes them wash they fi clean like a whistle.
Oh, she handicapped.
Right.
Right. So she'll tell you for herself.
So why you want a handicapped friend?
Me no
We can help you.
I never know say she a handicap. You know me know say she a handicap when people beat her up a road. They tell them me know say she a handicap.
Okay, why you want a friend where I call you handicapped now? You see when I try to show on the level of a friend who want to choose.
I
Friend,
know
me
you
not feel no way.
are too much. It's a too much.
I don't feel no
Yeah,
way
try to
because
get
I
one another.
truth. She's talking the truth, so why should I feel away?
I'm asking a question. How you know about my family business?
I know everything.
On the road.
Your mother and father entreat your sister.
No.
Now give her no food.
It's
Give
a
her-
lie. You
you-
know why they ill-treat her? She not have no manners. Tell me which pitney you seen at them and nowadays, yeah, that chop their mama so and a fight their mama. Tell me now.
You look like your mama see her chop me.
Dirty clothes
No.
and I am mama
And
fear.
that's why she get ill-treated because she not no mother, she not
No
behavior.
matter, alright, listen. No child must not lick their mother, not talk too loud to their mother.
Then
But
like your mother,
the
you
Bible says,
they sin, you
shut your mouth. The Bible says, parents must not provoke their children to wrath. You have some of the parents them. Then take out the issue pan the picnic them. What if them and the man have problem in the bedroom? The picnic get all of the pressure.
So that's a question. The Bible never say people not supposed to provoke them parents to wrath.
Well,
The Bible never say that. The Bible never say that. That in the Bible. Well, when if you put that in the Bible because she herself is the wrath.
Well, you know what I got to say, me not busy about family business. This is my friend, and I support my friend in everything that she do. Right.
you support her in everything she do.
Right. And she doing wrong, I'm gonna tell her, say, friend, you're doing wrong.
No, you just make a statement and you support her with everything she do.
Yeah.
So
Me never finish talk, and you take it up on your head. Me
So-
say, me support her in everything that she do, but if
You see-
me say, but if she do wrong, me go tell her see her wrong. She do.
You so need to be people talking it. Move.
Girl!
You hear me say?
Mama apologize and come out.
Come on, hear what me say.
Mama, next time you put in a fuzzy in your head. Do like me. Rock your natural hair because nobody can take me head pan like force.
Girl, help me!
You go here? You go here?
Yes, me go, come on here.
How are you? You can't beat
Look
me.
for the type of friend where you take up.
Look what type of man you be. You tell the people them girl picnic. Me out for rape, you know.
You could have allowed for anything you want allowed for. As long as me know that me not touch none of them. My remember said, you know. Sound sorry.
friend.
Sound sorry.
Me sorry.
Me sorry.
Me sorry.
Go on now.
Get two birds.
God, no make me poor knees come so.
Here, little girl, you asleep?
Let me show you slow you walk. Me all listen before you.
So where you was really say you are go?
Me go to the counselor.
What kind of counselor that be?
And counselor will counsel people when them parents treat them bad.
So what kind of bad treatment you say you have?
Wash plate. For bed.
Them called
Wash people
chores.
clothes. To wash
They
people
are
clothes.
called chores.
To wash people clothes.
You know how long me do that? And your grandparents do that?
That's for them business when I tell them to do it.
If
They
they
want it,
never do it, you wouldn't have a house to live
No,
under.
no,
You
no,
wouldn't
no,
have
no,
food
no,
to eat, and
no,
you wouldn't
no,
have a
no,
mother to
no,
come
no.
give birth to you.
Don't tell me that.
So nobody turn your nose up
Alright,
for people
anyway,
wash
me did
clothes.
that. When me come, I should have locked your foot.
Me should have locked it, yes, me should have all dash you away.
Just come
Well,
like a
see you there
piece
now.
of people life.
Me I try make the best say it, and every turn me turn, you fight me.
I fight you fight yourself, but just not kill you.
Every turn me turn, you fight me.
I fight yourself, baby.
Me tired for talk to you, you know. Me tired for talk to you. I mean, I try raise you right.
Raise me wrong and see you with my broom. You right now work with me.
It now work for true.
Put me
It
like-
now work for true. Cause me ask you for clean his problem. Me ask you for wash his problem. You all out to the street a fight.
Okay, lad. Who me a fight?
Me here.
Anything you hear, so you go add on panic to run with it.
Can't talk to you, girl. Can't talk to you. None at all.
talk to you either.
None at all. So where you a put on nail varnish for go?
In my bedroom. You
I
ever
must
let
see
me
your
go
bed.
anywhere?
I must see your bed. Okay, you're a real Cinderella. Come in now. Say you can't put on nail varnish for go meet no man. Man out the road me a hear and everything. You not care. You not care. Where you put on nail varnish for go?
Bed.
I must say bed because you now come out of here, Miss Cinderella.
You ever let me go anywhere?
It not stop you. It not stop you.
A while ago, me I walk with my friend and come from upon road.
Can nobody give permission for go out? Yes, babe.
Stop, boy. Go on.
Hey, there.
Hey, babes. Just a drink the crew, you know, man. We get paid and to their pay there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I?
Ah,
God, so know
what
what
do
I?
you?
Me say I want to say my friend. Riri come tell me say I see my sister. Pan the road with man, turn up.
What?
The man stole me and my friend. What? Me say daddy me run.
What you really say?
Me could have run left everybody. Oh God, me thank God you know what I.
What go on here?
Top road with man.
So man, you did not come tough talk too.
I just say make sure you do in front of your face in here. It come like come here drink rum and I hear junk.
You have to stop her. Can me stop her, me put my hand on her, me I gotta take her life.
So right now better me get a better woman in my life because you're not take
You
control
really
of
need
nothing.
one.
What kind of style that? Oh, she had Q-Tex finger. Rub off that!
How much?
Let me see how you deal with her and me will learn.
Hey, where's him?
Me over here, right? My friend Riri run come over here. I said to me say my sister and her friend talk with man. So I go up there, the man I tell me say how my sister said to him say we are ill treat him and one bag of
Sister like this, your sister here, or a girl will live a wreck down on your sister.
No, that one yeah.
My daughter.
You gotta breathe before time if you're in a mind sharp.
You the plan with man, my daughter.
I was speaking to a council.
Oh, that vibration, I put your phone on.
Which council take meeting out of streets? Not even in the office?
Him never did a meet with him. Did they outside for him own business? I'm
How
see
this?
I'm a stop.
Answer your for them, I deal with you.
Me don't necessarily overseas number that.
Kakafat. Answer it there.
How that man?
Come on, me and the same thing.
Truth I go come out right here now.
No, this is not her, but this is her father.
The truth I come out now, you bitch you.
I really
Truth
think
I
this
come
are-
out.
Which company this?
Company?
You got college of foreign, my daughter.
College?
Where?
What's your name, sir?
No, the wrong name them get. I can't let them say.
So why them die?
So why you never my next daughter? How are she alone?
College?
Where you get this link here?
The counselor when me a talk.
Alright. Give me a moment. We're having a meeting right now, so you gotta catch up back with us later. We'll give you back a call, okay? Thanks, no problem.
The counselor when me a talk to him teach me like maths. So me did up there and me see something for sign pan and me sign pan it. So here what? Give me this. I got me gun. Catch me later. Yes, college.
Rotted, you have brain under the girl.
Yes. So anyways, let me throw let me go shine. Let me throw my time to go shine now. No! When me did want to talk to you, you never interested. You never interested in my mannequin, your princess.
You never bring her a counselor?
Bring her guy which counselor? She want to go counselor? What you need her for do right now? I go to the pharmacy to buy a pregnancy test and make sure piece funny. Let me throw me go shine.
No, they say they need
No,
to come
time
now.
for
Please
you.
come.
Yes, me I
Give them
go
a
shine
visit.
now.
Oh, she know about my business and my pregnancy. Who tell her that? Who tell her my
You what?
Me pregnant.
Where's it?
Me pregnant, daddy.
So, my daughter, we always tell like one.
The good girl.
Are you turn out to be the bad one?
Me not bad.
Lord God, what is for me, Lord?
Dumb bad.
Princess, who you breed for? You know tell me say I use condom, princess.
You know, so
It
she,
not work.
She tell me say she have a little boyfriend. Listen, she's not underage. We have to
Me
make sure
know,
about the
but-
man boyfriend. But she tell me say she use condom.
You never little daddy in your bag.
Lord God.
Princess, what is it?
Rotted.
And that's why you get too much money.
The boss, princess. Yeah, you mad for a couple of things.
How me coming at this?
No, daddy.
How me coming at this? Me want to see how you are gonna move me. When me coming at this, I me breeder.
Come.
No.
I me breeder. Take your basket for your daughter for wash. I me breeder.
don't
Me
need
want
any
to see
more
how
Apino
me
in
sitting
my place.
yourself.
See
Me
me
want to
nice.
see how you are
Listen
gonna
to me.
move me.
See me nice daughter gonna turn out to something good and set me good for her life.
And the one man, you should have talked to you, not talk to you. Know, say she have sex and you not talk to her about the birds and the bees. Now you come kick me up because she a breed. Me want see the day name there.
She start have sex.
I say you make it come in, never even know say she have a man.
To me when me come from work one day, coming by say you and me always leave here. She hide and watch Blue movie on your phone in the bathroom.
Me have to watch Blue movie on my phone because you now getting me nothing.
Come on, please. Come on, please.
Let me see you put me out. Only picnic you can put out.
Say that one right now. When you move.
A picnic you put out.
Stay here till me come back.
Me I think me want see what you gonna put out, yes sir.
Mommy.
Me want see what you gonna put out, yes sir. Cause all the slave and work.
Mommy.
And all the abuse me take for you and your picnic them.
Who does this father pack up with bag and go back?
Where you gonna go? You really a breed for true?
Come on, before you come, mommy. Take up your something.
Where you gonna go?
Mommy,
Where you gonna go?
mommy, yeah.
With belly.
Keep it like that. Well,
Come on, please.
Chop me now. Chop me now. Your name Chop. Me working at this. Me working at this. Me working at this and raise them. Me working at this and raise them. Put me out. Half of this bumper of mine.
Come on, please.
Half of this bumper of mine, you know. Are you breeder? Look at what say you breeder. Put down and cool down. Leave what? Half of this cloth of mine.